In 2023, scientists crossed a line we once believed belonged only in science fiction. They didn't build a robot. They didn't create an AI. They did something much stranger. They created a simulation which contains something truly remarkable. Researchers mapped every neuron, every connection, every signal pathway of a fruit fly brain, a tiny organism with a surprisingly complex nervous system. 3,000 neurons, over 500,000 synapses, a complete biological circuit digitized, resulting in the reconstruction of a living creature's entire control system inside a computer. Inside a virtual environment, the digital organism began to behave. Not randomly, not like an animation, but like the real animal. It responded to virtual smells. It moved toward virtual food. It made decisions based on the same neural wiring that once lived inside a real body. This wasn't artificial intelligence. It wasn't programmed behavior. It was the fly's actual neural architecture, reconstructed with microscopic precision and allowed to operate freely in a simulated world. For the first time, a complete nervous system, built by nature, was running in a simulation. It's small, it's simple, but it's a milestone. Because if you can simulate 3,000 neurons today, what happens when you can simulate 3 million? Or 3 billion? Or the 86 billion inside the human brain? This experiment doesn't mean consciousness has been uploaded. It doesn't mean minds can be copied, but it does mean something profound. For the first time in history, a living creature's wiring has been recreated in code and allowed to think, sense, and act in a world that exists only as mathematics. A digital organism, built from biology and running in a simulated world.